Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olabimpe Akinlayo. If today is your first time, you're highly welcome. Feel free to be part of the family if you're not by subscribing, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop new content. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment at the comment section. So guys, I know it has been a minute since I uploaded. I've been so busy with life, family, work, and everything in general. So this video is just gonna be a Sunday weekend video of me cooking, and yeah, that would just be it. Cook with me video. It's gonna be a little lengthy, but let's just enjoy it and watch me cook. Thank you. Bye. So after brushing for my kids, they decided they wanted to have their breakfast. So my son requested for golden more, which I made for him, and my daughter requested for tea. Normally my daughter, before she has or have anything like food for breakfast, she always drink tea first in the morning. So that's what I was doing here, setting the kids house, and I also decided to make myself a cup of tea too, which I did before I dived into cooking proper for the day.
Ire, when mommy call you, say yes, mommy. What do you say? Wait. Yeah. Hello, what's wrong with you? That's organic. Hello, calm down. Can you eat your food?
So I'm done with my tea. Everyone is sorted out. So I decided to jump into the cooking proper. So right here you can see me washing the bell peppers. So this cooking for today is not done in one particular order. As you keep watching, you will see how the whole cooking process went. If I'm not the kind of person that when I'm cooking, I always, some people when they're cooking, they always make sure they prep everything they are going to be using to cook. I'm this kind of a person that I walk around when I'm cooking. I pick up my things as I cook. I do my things as I cook. Yep. So yeah, just enjoy the cooking process. And yeah, at this point, if you are still watching and you have not yet so subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, hit that bell, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload videos you get to know, you'll be the first person to know. Alrighty, so here this cooking today I'll be making vegetable soup, a Riro, and I will also be making okra soup. And yeah, that's the main goal for this video. And in the process, it's Sunday morning and we have not yet had our breakfast. I'll be making proper breakfast for I and Obi. So today we'll be having yam and fried eggs. So I'll be making that also in this video. Okay, guys, something came up to my mind as I am shooting this video. Guys, I hope you guys really enjoy watching this vlog or my videos as much as I enjoy making this video for you guys, even though it's not professional enough, you know, with my quack camera and stuff like that. You know, when I shoot, I don't shoot with what's it called, proper like camera. I use my iPhone 13 Pro Max video camera. That's what I use in shooting my video. So if you guys watch my video, if you're an oldie, you watch my cooking vlog or cooking video, you notice I always leave the tap running. It's not for no reason, but because I find it therapeutic for me. You know, I enjoy it. It's soothing. That running water is always soothing to me. It makes me work more better. You know, I don't know, is it just me or any other person? If you're the type that when you're cooking, you're working in your kitchen, you enjoy listening to the tap run, it's kind of soothing to you, it's therapeutic, please leave your comment below. Okay, I don't want nobody coming to me be like, you're always leaving water running, you're wasting water. I'm sorry guys, it's soothing to me, it's very therapeutic. Leave a comment below if you're that kind of person as well. Okay.
What do you want? Congratulations. So guys, at this point, I'm ready to add my spinach. You see all of this in there. I have dried white meat fish or smoked white meat fish, smoked turkey, these I had a dried fish as well in seasoning for taste. I had a local bean for seasoning too for taste. So yeah, so I'll be adding in my spinach. So the spinach, I took a little bit of the spinach out on the side because I want to add some to my okra. So yeah. So I can see it's really thick, so I'm going to be adding some water to kind of loosen the thickness of the okra. Alright guys. Guys, it's 11:40. It's almost 12 o'clock. So guys, I really enjoyed my meal, even though I was eating breakfast late. It was almost 12 in the afternoon. We didn't go to church, so that's the online service in the background going on. Obi was watching, but I was in the kitchen, so I was just, joining the spirit. As you can see behind you, the sink is dirty, but I was hungry. I need to eat, so I'll be running up the video, and after I finish eating, I cleaned up the sink. Okay guys, bye.